Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what this is a wireless earphone or earbuds that you can use to listen to music at home, in the office, or when you guys are going out for a workout. That's up to you guys. But you guys take a look right here. This is their brand logo right here. I believe it's pronounced Nilkin. So if you guys take a look on the side right here, it tells you guys all the different specs and what is on the product itself. So it has the CVC noise reduction, Bluetooth wireless 5.0, IPX5 waterproof resistant. The battery life on this product is 13 hours on the earphones or earbuds itself, and then another 52 hours on the case itself. So that means you can charge roughly around 4 times in the case, and then 1 full charge on the actual product itself to get you guys a total of 65 hours on this product, which is pretty long. The next thing to mention here is the lossless sound quality, which is the aptX. Next we have the TWS Plus, and the last thing right here is the comfortable fitting of the product itself. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. And all you guys have to do is just open up like this. So first thing you guys see right here is a user manual. So let's put that on one side first. And then you guys can see that there's the actual product right here. But on this side, we have some accessories. So let me show you guys what's the accessories first. Alright, so inside this accessory box, they provide you a bunch of extra ear tips. And all these, I believe, is all silicone. Next, we have a cable, which is a USB-C to micro USB cable, which is pretty cool. So that means they actually can fast charge your device. So that's another thing that's really cool about this product. And the last and final thing is a little carabiner that they provide you that you can actually hook it on to the product itself, which is pretty nice. And also what comes in the package when you guys buy it, they actually provide you one of these very nice and cute little bags. You can see their little logo right there. But that's basically all the accessory that is provided. Now let's take a look at the actual product itself. Alright, so here we have the product. So this is where you guys will actually hook that little carabiner where I showed you guys earlier. If you guys take a look right here, there's the slot right here, which is a USB-C, where actually you can plug it in to charge it. And then this is what the front side looks like. So you guys can see there's a logo right there, and then this knob right here, you guys can actually turn it. So it's very similar to the other one that I reviewed from last time by the brand called Monster. So all you guys have to do is just turn the knob, and then it shows up the product like this. Exactly how the Monster one is. But I feel like for this one, it's actually much more portable and much more compact than the Monster one, because this one's a smaller size of the case itself, so it doesn't waste a lot of space. And also because of the fact that it has the USB-C instead of micro USB charging slot right here. It looks very similar to the Monster headphones, just different design right here. The other side is pretty much the same. And it has the technology built into the product where once you guys take it out from the actual case itself, it's automatically turned on. And then once you guys put it back in the case, it will automatically turn off. But if you guys don't want to do the automatic turn on and turn off option, you guys always do it manually by holding and pressing it down for I think like 5 to 10 seconds, and it will actually turn off or turn on. So let me actually put it on and show you guys what it looks like first, and then test it out and show you guys the touch controls and whatnot. You guys can see that it actually looks very simple. The fit of the product, it feels really nice. It's fitted perfectly to the point where it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. It actually feels really, really comfortable. You guys definitely get that noise isolation or noise reduction the moment you guys put it on. It's kind of like putting like a air plug or something into your ear, so the same kind of like feeling or concept. But let's pair it up and see how it performs in terms of the audio, and then we're gonna do like the touch controls. Alright, so the audio and the bass is actually really good. It's not like too overpowering or anything. It's perfectly balanced to the point where you guys can hear enough of the audio and hear enough of the bass. I would definitely have to put this earbuds within the top 10 earbuds that I've tested so far on this channel. But now let me show you guys the touch controls that's on this product itself. So if you guys want to play the music, you just double tap it. And everyone pause the music, just double tap again. If you want to skip the song, you guys can hold it down for 2 seconds. So that goes back to the previous song because I clicked the left side. But if I do it on the right side, I actually will skip the song. So skip to the next song. I believe if you tap it 3 times, you guys can actually activate Siri. So let's give it a try. So it does activate Siri. And just like how I said earlier, you guys can actually turn it off or turn it on manually by holding it down for 5 seconds. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually go do a quick test to show you guys how to charge the product and how to know when it's charging, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the product. You can see that it's charging. So basically when it's charging, this is basically what it looks like. You guys can see the light is blinking right here slowly, and it's actually really cool how it shows you guys when it's charging like this. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the Tesla product, you can see it actually does work and actually works really well. I really like the option of how you guys have the fast charging option because of the USB-C instead of a micro USB. And then on top of that, if you guys saw in the video, I really like how it lights up when you guys are charging. That's actually really unique because out of all the other headphones, earphones, or whatever that tested so far, it doesn't have that unique kind of design that makes it stand out compared to other competitors out there in the market today. So I really like this product a lot because of everything that's on here. So like the fast charging option of the USB-C, the fact that it has the noise isolation, noise reduction, and then also because of the fact of the long battery life. Like you guys get 13 hours on one full charge on the actual product itself, and you guys get additional 4 more charges, which equals to a total of 52 hours on the case itself. But if you guys add the case and the actual product itself together, you guys get 65 hours maximum. Doesn't mean you guys will definitely get that full 65 hours. If you guys don't use it correctly, like if you guys blast the music to 100%, then most likely you will not get that full 65 hours. But if you guys are playing like halfway of the volume and everything, then you probably most likely will get anywhere close to that 65 hours of usage. And also the fact that this product is supposed to be IPX5 waterproof, so I would say it's more like water resistant. But if you guys like drench it in water for like a couple minutes, it should be fine. But if you guys put it like drowning into the water for like 2 minutes straight or something, then it might go bad and all the water can get inside the product and damage it. And then obviously it's same as any other wireless earbuds or earphones or headphones out there. It has a built-in mic, so you can use it to make calls as well. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest with you guys, I have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Definitely I would say that this is better than the Monster one that I reviewed from last time that looks exactly like this and performs very similar to this. But obviously for those who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have